Hello, my name is James Hoffman and welcome to my video. This video is all about the COVID days of summer here in Florida. Most of the birds, especially the large birds, have all migrated north into Canada or the Arctic to escape this extreme heat. The heat index here has been 105 degrees over the past month at least. It has just been absolutely horrid, and I hope it improves. But what you can do, and you do need to do this because you have to keep sharp on your camera, you have to shoot daily, multiple times, both pictures and videos to get accustomed to your camera and to improve the quality of your pictures and your videos. So please shoot pictures and videos on a daily basis as often as possible. Now myself, I have a rather large yard, so I go out in the yard and I can take pictures of birds, and most extensively I like to shoot macro photography in my yard with butterflies, bees, dragonflies, and flowers. And you can do the same either in your yard or in a park close by. But please use your camera often and shoot often so that the quality of your work becomes better. Thank you. Please enjoy the video you're about to see, and please wear your mask when at all possible. When there's other people around or in a crowd, make sure that you wear your mask. Thank you. Enjoy. Here's where I normally shoot osprey and other birds in the winter time. In the fall, they'll come back. That's the lake above the dam. Here's my resident squirrel taking a nap during these hot, extremely hot days of summer, and that's what most people here in Florida do. All of the videos here were shot in slow motion photography with the G9 camera. I made a video about setting up your camera to do that you can view at a later date. This is a family of 4 babies. The mother has a single egg. The egg divides into 4 and you end up with 4 identical twins. Please subscribe.